Real estate agents, steal these 5 Instagram post ideas for more engagement from your potential buyers. If you're new here, my name is Will. I'm a professional real estate and commercial photographer, and I love helping my clients be better at what they do so we can all close more deals and get more sales. Idea number 1, property highlight reels. We're all familiar with the traditional long-form video walkthrough tour, but a property highlight reel is going to be formatted for Instagram so it's nice and vertical and feels organic to the platform. We're going to keep it short and sweet, to the point, with a nice call to action at the end to help funnel your potential buyers to where you want to take them. Idea number 2 is going to be behind the scenes videos. These are a great way to engage with your audience, film them with your phone, answer their questions, and helps build trust with your audience, which is so important because a lot of times real estate agents can come off as being all about the sale, but showing behind the scenes videos that feel authentic and personally answer questions from your audience can really help build that authenticity and trust that is so needed in today's market. Idea number 3 is going to be a local community spotlight. This could be a business, a place you like to eat, or somewhere in the community that can help it stand out. This gives potential buyers and your audience a taste of what it's like to live in this community. It's also a great time to partner with local businesses and expose yourself to a new audience that can help build your following and, again, works on providing authenticity to your audience and your potential buyers. Idea number 4 is going to be to partner with a local expert. This could be a handyman, a home inspector, a plumber, somebody who can share tips and tricks and advice for owning a home. It's a big responsibility purchasing your first home, and this goes a long way to show your audience that you care more about them than you do about the sale of the home, and you care about the longevity of them owning this home and the responsibilities that come along with it. Finally, idea number 5 is going to be to share testimonials from your clients. This could be sellers or it could be buyers. If there's a special story, maybe they have something interesting to say, maybe there is an experience that happened during the entire process, it is a great time to connect with them on a human level, show something candid, and share that with your audience. If there is something that is over the top and really special, it's a great time to connect with someone like me to where we can come out, document the whole experience, and put that professional polish on it that really goes the extra mile and connects with your potential buyers and shows them that you care about the entire process, not just the transaction. As always, thank you guys for watching. You can find my contact information in the description below. If you found this helpful, please give me a like, give me a subscribe. I really appreciate it. We'll see you guys on the next one.